In this video, I will show you how to get Voidheart in Hytale. Most void entities drop this item. Noticeably, Void Eye, Void Crawler, Void Spawn, Void Spectre or Void Larva. In order to get Voidheart, you have to explore some areas in night time, especially this area, bluish, and then icy area. Let me show you. So here we are in bluish area, and here we see this void crawler. So it dropped essence of the void, not void heart. Here we are in ice biome, and these are some void entities, including void eye. And one of them dropped Voidheart. So this is how we can get Voidheart in Hytale.